Today we will learn one of the very basic concept called all from 9 last from 10. This is a very easy concept and it has several what if scenarios. Let's first understand the basic concept. Let's say we have to subtract 324 from 1000. First of all, we are not going to touch this digit on the left, which is 1 in this case. For the rest of the zeros, we can solve from right to left or left to right. Either ways, you will get the same answer. I prefer right to left. As the name suggests, it is all from 9, last from 10. So we will write 10 on top of the last digit, last zero. For the rest of them, we will write 9. Now all we have to do is subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, and our answer is 676. Let's take one more example. Let's say we have to solve 10,000 minus 5,302. Again, we can start from left to right or right to left. I prefer right to left. We will write our 10 and 9 and we will simply subtract these. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4. And our answer is 4,698. Now that you've understood the concept, let's start with the what if scenarios. The first scenario is lesser number. So here we have to subtract 52 from 10,000. For that, we are going to write our 10 and 9s and start subtracting. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. Since we don't have any digits here, we are going to consider them as 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. So our answer is 9,948. Our second what if scenario is multiples. So here we have to solve 2,000 minus 173. So following our all from 9, last from 10 rule, we will subtract. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 8. Now we know that this is not the complete answer since we also have 2 here. Whenever there is a multiple, we will always subtract 1 from that number. So we will do 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now we get the complete answer, which is 1,827. Continuing with the what if scenarios, the next one is double digit multiple. So here we have to subtract 21 from 67. For the zeros, we are going to follow the all from 9, last from 10 rule. And we will get 9 and 7. Now here is a very important concept to remember. For the number that is next to 0, in this case 7, we will always subtract 1 from that number. So we will do 7 minus 1 is 6. For the number next to it, which is 6, we will simply write it down as is. So the final answer is 6,679. The next what if scenario is called unequal. As you can see in this example, we have more digits here than the number of zeros. So how are we going to solve it? Let's see. For the zeros, we are simply going to follow the all from 9, last from 10 rule. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now rather than stopping here, we will continue subtracting. 5 minus 3 is 2. And we will write down this 2 as is. Now, if we remember from the previous example, we have to subtract 1 from the number that is next to 0, which is 5. We already got the answer 2 here, so we will subtract 1 from this 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We will write down the other digits as is. So 2, next 1, 0, and 8. So our final answer is 2108. Let's take one more example. Let's say we have to subtract 231 from 5800. So the first rule is all from 9 last from 10, which will give us 9, 6. We will continue subtracting. 8 minus 2 is 6, and we will write down this 5 as is. Next, we are going to subtract 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, and we will copy the rest of the numbers as is. 5, 6, and 9. So our answer is 5569. Even though all from 9 last from 10 is a very easy concept, please make sure that you spend some time practicing the scenarios. Today's quotation is by Michael Jordan. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Remember, persistence is the key to success. Thank you for joining me for today's class. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.